A group of young individuals has issued a firm ultimatum to the Meghalaya government, threatening legal action if issues surrounding the upper age limit for Meghalaya Police recruitment are not rectified. Led by youth activist Barilang Pyngrope, the group submitted a memorandum to the Secretary of Home Police Department, Cyril V. Diengdoh. Pyngrope stated that if the government fails to address the highlighted discrepancies, they will seek redress through the High Court of Meghalaya. The group also is advocating for the alignment of the police recruitment upper age limit with the guidelines specified in the 2022 Office Memorandum, which extended the age eligibility to 32 years for general candidates and 37 years for scheduled tribes across various government departments. This issue arose due to the police department's advertisement on the 6th of March 2024, which referenced the revised uniform guidelines for recruitment of police personnel in Meghalaya Police, issued on the 1st of December 2023.
Dia nilai ki irregularities ki belum illegal ru ya ka age ki change kelam ka notification kung mga patay dia ka notification ngala gli na iba si Diengdoh kam padan notification bagi ong yet to be released dia kini ibuan ki jingkeli kumno kan ki change ka age limit kelam ka notification di kumtangi wan ban submit ya ka written representation nila dap submit siya ka secretary jong ka police department nila submit ya secretary jong ka personal department mentangin submit siya secretary jong ka CRV ro siya yes patay awan niyo iba ki revised guidelines ki abo klam ka notification ken takadaw ni wan ban file representation di damban siya ti kung basa just lang kisam labaro ngin namban siya ngin hablet siya kon namar ba ngimla pi ban susha update ya kani ka taday ban kay ibalong legal ho ni iba kimbot kat kung ka notification ti haka kot kuboro play ihi naka artarik akun rotary fam chief minister jomila ang baka notification is yet to be released takataw long kumno kay anshu permit revised guidelines klam ga notification ti kung tahing iwan submit ya ka representation ni ban I proof mo ka signature ikalagan ang ihi ti tangkat tayo
akan gajing pelai kamar tasman serta tengi isgotiau himo namar ba la sukadre jubor ikasna kata
beli pia sudio ala ke ignore
isgotiau ya ka namar ba arjar kat kendai don ka covid-19 la sa kata kam covid-19 kalau kata kalau aslam ka recruit dan ka kata isgotiau bala madri pala kasna ajing sala de ban ai won tang relaxation angkat tani kuat amko ya kata kita ni mo ki kendon mo tangga jom kini ki SSC DSF CRPF ini dangla depan I want tani relax naga ako kendai kadangla adu lai ko ar pan I want tani relax ba sa tani ka kam covid-19 natalay ako mikriya pat kamla depan I want tani relax jadi सरकार को ताई करना बा को एक fitness kam song pihak ka is ka song ka ya ka jong ka kilometer bala don ko physical test no ko ban ka fitness dekat is relax